If you want to check battery temperature on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, then we can download a third-party app that allows us to check this information. For example, we're gonna go to the Play Store and I'm gonna search for an app that is called a GCPU. And this is the app, for example, this one, we can use for checking this kind of information. I'm pretty sure there are multiple different apps that also allow us to check the battery temperature. I'm just gonna choose this one in this example. And once it is installed, let's open it. Over here, press this check in the bottom right corner. We don't have to consent for this. And then immediately in this menu, we have the information about the battery in this place, the temperature. We can also tap on the battery in order to find more information. Of course, we have an ad. And once you close the ad, you should find the information about the temperature over here, as well as in this place here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.